talking about dxChain. They want to introduce blockchain to big data so they can be friends. We're going to be breaking down just what that means after a massive thank you to all of you for being part of the cryptocurrency community. Your support makes all the difference. Thank you very much. And of course, you do have to remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the opinions of one man talking about cryptocurrencies on the internet. This is an ICO. Please do your own due diligence for investing your own money. There is always a certain amount of inherent risk in investing in any ICO. And of course, there is no substitute for doing your own research. Unfortunately, this sale does exclude citizens of the United States, Canada, and New Zealand. New Zealand! They're talking about us. Wait, that's not good. And one final note, this is not a sponsored review, just a project that I think is interesting and you might want some more information about. So let's get into it. Okay, so what is the problem that dxChain wants to solve? Well, you guys know the old saying, I got 99 problems and the cost of my data storage is one. At least I think that's how the saying goes. Yes, data storage costs a lot. The current data model on the internet doesn't really work for most. It works for big companies, but it's not working for everyone else, as the profits are not being shared in a very equitable way. We can look at existing blockchain solutions and how they are approaching computing or computation, for example. We see that Bitcoin, while using this beautiful proof-of-work algorithm, is using up a lot of computational power solely focused on running the Bitcoin network, whereas we could actually be using that for doing useful tasks as well as something else. If we look at Ethereum, for example, each block has a limitation according to the amount of gas that can go into it, and so that limits the level of computation that can be done on the Ethereum blockchain. And of course, we have all kinds of privacy and security challenges around data as well. So what is the solution for this? Well, dxChain is proposing to provide a decentralized parallel computing solution for big data, AI, and storage. They want to tap into the ideas behind the sharing economy to let you use your underutilized computing resources for storage and demonopolize the current data infrastructure. They also want to function as a data trading platform. Specifically, they're going to be focused on enabling business data exchange and analytics, AI model training, smart cities, healthcare, as well as a few other potential use cases. We do have an MVP already, which I find very encouraging. Testnet will be coming a bit later in the year. The token will of course function as network gas and to reward those who are providing input into the network, whether it be via computing power or via data storage. Some of the technological features underlying dxChain: Tech Hadoop. This is an industry-proven big data platform and is going to help enable machine learning. They're also going to be using a suite of the MapReduce tools, implementing features like Pig for analyzing large data sets, Hive for developing SQL-type scripts, and Mahout, a framework for running machine learning algorithms. dxChain is going to be a multi-chain structure. We are going to have the main chain, immutable proof of work. We're also going to have two side chains. We're going to have data chain. The data chain we're running off a proof of space-time consensus for microtransactions, managing storage tasks, and obtaining incentives for storage miners from the main chain, as well as proof of data precision to verify processes and prevent attacks. The second side chain will be the computing chain. This will be running off that proof of useful work idea, helping to solve real problems, not just creating a coin. Two mechanisms for computation consensus will be a verification game algorithm to help solve, verify, and